Hello, and welcome back to Crafting with Ty and Friends. Today I'm going to be doing a quick video just showing you guys how to use the PNG images for the fans, whether you're using them for grads, promotional, baptism. These fans are great for many occasions. So let's get started. As you guys can see, I have my PNG images here. And what I'm going to do is bring in some grad pictures that I actually got from Google. So if this is your kid, I apologize. Now with Publisher, you can't remove backgrounds that are not solid one color. So this background I will not be able to remove using Publisher. So if I just wanted to use her and take out the background, I will have to bring this picture into some other program. Inkscape, PixArt on your phone is good to use. So we're going to remove this background from the little guy over here. And we're going to remove her background also. Well, hers doesn't remove really good, so we're going to keep her white. Now you can start designing your, oh, you see how the background didn't remove all the way for him either, but we're going to just show you guys how it's done. See, if I was putting him in the white, I wouldn't even have to remove because I just set him there. So with the PNG images, unlike the SVG images, you can't really change the color. So whatever the color of the PNG image is the color you will be using. So this is this is me trying to change the color. So if I try to change it to purple, you know, it changes, but sometimes it's not the right color. So like if I try to change it to a dark blue, it's a light blue. Because basically it's layering it over the orange, so it doesn't really show the true color you're trying to get. So this is me designing little guy here. I'm going to take this, place it here, enlarge it however you want. I'm going to actually make it lean just a little. I know it's a lot going on my little canvas here, but it's worth the watch. So you basically just design just like you do any other template. You want to add the 2019 or whatever you want. So just fit everything into how you want it. Type in the name, congrats, whatever you want. Change the shape up so it can fit your little banner just a little better. Of course, if this was a fan, I would actually have the green be a totally different color. Move this over here. And then you can add congrats or whatever you want to your fan, then you pretty much have your fan. Now, if you wanted to do a fan where you insert it, like in my other video on designing fans, you will have to make sure it's a publisher template. You can't take your PNG image here and insert photos. What you have to do is take a publisher template and insert photos. So this hat here is actually a publisher template. So what we're going to do is insert the grad photo here. So since we can't remove this background, we're going to insert it into here. So we're going to go to Format, Shape Fill, and you want to click Picture, and then just locate the photo you want to turn into that shape. So now I have her inside of my fan. I'm going to change the outline to blue. We're going to make it a little thicker just because. And then we can add any of these elements or any other elements you have to the photo. So I can make it a grad band with a little banner. I like this one. Then I can just add her name, insert, and you just change it up till you like it, till it fits your designing needs. Don't mind my little designing, it's off, but this is just a quick video for you guys, for my publisher users. So now I have two fans, and then you can just go over here and create another one, however many you may need, using whatever PNG images you like. Resize things, change it up. You can add the diploma. So we're going to add a name for her, and then I'm going to show you guys how I add my little stick. So say you have your designs ready and you're ready to either share it with your social media, your customer, or whatever to show them how it will actually look. What you want to do is basically Google popsicle stick, fan stick. You can even go to walmart.com and steal one of their pictures of a stick, and you want to insert it into here. So I have my stick somewhere on one of these drives. So we're going to search it. So look, stick, and it pulls up this wooden stick. Not one stick, it's actually a few of them. What I do is just basically crop what I don't need out, which is all these extra sticks. Then I take my stick, and you can remove the background on it if you want. Format, recolor, set transparent, click the white. Doesn't matter. But resize your stick and place it where you need it to be. Make sure you save it as a publisher file so you can come back and make any changes to the fan if you need to, and save it as a PDF file if you are sending it to a customer or if you are sending it to be printed at a print shop. So I'm going to save mine. There's my publisher file, and that's it. I hope that this helps, and share what you create. I would love to see. Thank you for watching.